Hi guys, today I will show you how I make my Maracas-style bacon shark. So your shark should be cut into slices, then wash and soak with 1 to 2 lime or lemons for about 15 minutes. Wash thoroughly with water and wipe clean. Then add your green seasoning. Click on the link above or see the description box below to get my recipe. So I'm going to show you how I fry the shark first, and then towards the end of the video, I'm going to put everything together. I have a separate video for the fried bake and the tamarind chutney, which you can check out in the description box below. So after your fish has been seasoned, and I recommend you season and leave overnight, go ahead and coat with a mixture of flour, salt and black pepper. Coat on both sides of the fish. Make sure that your pot is not too hot or else it will burn. I recommend low to medium heat. Cook until golden brown and cook a few minutes on either side and turn. Try not to turn too often or else your fish will break apart. You will know when it is done by the color of it, and the fish should appear firm. Remove and place on a plate with paper towels. Alright guys, so I'm ready to put together my bacon shark. So as you can see, I have my fried bake, my fried shark, typical condiments like your ketchup, hot sauce, pepper sauce, a homemade garlic sauce. I just blended some shadow beni, mayonnaise, water, salt and garlic. Homemade tamarind sauce. Please see the link above or the description for the recipe. And some pineapple chunks. And some coleslaw. Just want to cut this. Please see the link above for my fried bake recipe. So there's a pocket. Just place your shark. This way. Lettuce, my greens, pineapple chunks. I love pineapple in it. If you have fresh pineapple, you can go ahead and slice very thin. Tamarind sauce. Please see the link above for my tamarind sauce recipe. My pepper sauce, ketchup, some coleslaw. This is just chopped cabbage or carrots, some mayo and some salt, maybe some sugar, and some delicious garlic sauce. Freshly made. Take a look at that. Looks good. It's ready to dig in. So hope you guys tried and hope to see you all again soon. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you guys. So long and take care. Until next time. Bye.